Good morning, kids. This is Grandma Freeman, and I started to cook my chicken breasts in this Instant Pot on the slow cooker. Okay, and it's on now. And so what I've done already is sear these two chicken breasts on both sides in some oil. And now I have this chicken broth, and it's a low sodium, so I have probably close to 2 cups in there. It's really barely touching the chicken on the bottom there. So it's what I'm going to do is be steaming that chicken broth into the chicken when I put the lid on. And right now I have these seasonings, and I'm going to use, oh boy. Okay, I have to open this. Sorry, whoops, that wrong side. Okay, I think I can do this way. There. Okay. Okay, here we go. I got it open. See? Okay, now I'm just a little bit, because I have got just a little bit on top, because I've got, okay, that's about all I'm going to use. And this is kosher salt right there. Okay, I also have some garlic powder. I'm going to just put a few sprinkles of that in there. Okay, just a few. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and use the garlic powder. I have, for the rest of this month, I have 5 whole onions and some frozen chopped up onions. Let me see. Let me make sure this lid is on so I don't make a terrible mistake. Okay. Okay, there we go. Just a little bit. Just enough. Okay. And I'm going to use this is salt-free seasoning. So I want to use a lot of my seasonings up, because some of them won't be any good for long. And especially that salt-free. And then my cayenne pepper. See, here we go. Okay, now this I have to use very, very sparingly. This is very hot, but if I just use a little bit there. Now, okay, and that's on the outside, so it should be good. Okay, so I may baste this later on after a couple of hours of slow cooking. It's going now on a high heat, and I'm about to put the lid on, and so I'm going to let you go in just a moment. Please like and subscribe. Now, I have 1 chicken breast left in the freezer, and this is going to last me for more than 1 meal. I'll probably use 1 of the breasts tonight for Sunday's dinner, and for Sunday's dinner I have some carrots that I need to use up. With these carrots, I may roast the carrots and potatoes. This is what I have left of a 5-pound package, and I have 1 more 5 pounds of russet potatoes in my vegetable bin, and I think I'll save about 2 of those carrots to put in a coleslaw. So I think I will make a coleslaw while the chicken is cooking, and get these vegetables prepared. I will peel the carrots and the potatoes, and I'm thinking about roasting them. I think that would be good. And I'm not sure. I could make a stew, but I made a soup on Friday, and I had that Friday night and Saturday with the homemade bread that I made on Thursday. And that will go to lunches. So I will have homemade soup and bread for lunch today, and chicken with probably roasted potatoes and carrots. I don't think I'll roast an onion with it. I could, but I'm have to get through the rest of this month with what I have, because this is a no spend January, and I want to stick to it. I haven't gone to the store yet. I will this week have to go out and get some toilet paper and some garbage bags. I thought I had enough, but I've been generating a lot of garbage using up all this food in the pantry and refrigerator and freezer. And I do have a garbage pail that one side is for recyclables and the other side is separate. So I have to use 2 garbage bags in there, and mostly daily because it's not very big. And I'm using the smaller size, and they're almost as expensive as the large size garbage bags. So I will have to get some more garbage bags. I do have some that I use in my bathroom waste basket or waste pail, and those are too flimsy. They fall apart, and so I don't want just a bunch of garbage in my garbage can. It's nasty. And also, I have to be careful about my recyclables. I usually leave them in the bag open so they can, so this doesn't get too nasty for them to rummage through. Okay, kids. I hope this taught you something, and I hope it's not too bad of a film. I'm a novice at this. After 2 years, I still have trouble. But anyway, I hope you like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.